Welcome back to the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel and to the Trusted Car Products testing studio, although you can probably tell we are outside today, which thankfully means spring is here, so hopefully we'll be able to bring you more videos from outside, product demos on cars such as wash methods and any products that we can't actually do in the studio, so it's going to be useful now we're getting that daylight. Although having said that, we are battling it today. But we're here again with another of our unboxing videos for the team at BecauseRaceCar Box, this being the March edition of the box. So we're going to have a little look at what's inside, talk through anything we know, anything we don't know, and the different methods for using them if we know how, and we can advise on them. And we'll take a look at any accessories in there as well and talk you through those, and hopefully we can give you a bit more insight into what the boxes are about. Okay, so first out the box, as always, is the little picture postcard they provide. This one looks like it's been kindly donated rather by Auto Finesse. It is an Auto Finesse sponsored VW Golf on the front, an old school one. And I can see on the back that's because Auto Finesse are in this month's box. So what this card does is it tells you the contents of the box in terms of usage instructions, any safety measures needed, that sort of thing. As always, really useful, so we always keep that to one side when we're using any products that come in the box itself. Okay, so first out the box, we've got a product from Auto Perfection. Now, we've used a lot of Auto Perfection in the past. You can see a few reviews of their products on the Trusted Car Products website. This one, however, is new to us, and I actually think it's probably a new product that Auto Perfection are launching or have launched. I must check if it's actually for sale yet. But it's a dedicated microfiber wash called Micro Wash. Now, these are becoming more and more popular. The traditional method for washing microfiber has always been liquid non-bio, definitely not powder, because the powder can get caught up in the microfiber and not dissolve and then scratch your paint. So yeah, the preference has always been a liquid non-bio, but more and more brands are now releasing a dedicated microfiber wash. It helps keep the microfibers grabby but soft at the same time. So we'll be keen to try that out. We do have a lot of accessories we do need to wash at home at the moment, so I'll make sure to use this the next time I do so. Looks pretty economical, 30 to 60 mils of the wash solution per load. They do say for any heavier stains on any towels, you can rub this directly into the towel as well to sort of break it up before you wash it. So yeah, very keen to try that. Okay, next out the box, product from Juicy Details. Now Juicy Details stuff usually smells amazing. Yeah, it smells incredible. I think that's a banana scent. It's a very fruity scent anyway. But this is a interior dressing, a matte interior dressing, so it doesn't put that horrible sort of sheen on your plastics that dazzles you when the sun comes out. So this is just called Juicy Interior. Like I say, it's a matte trim interior dressing. They describe it as leaving the inside of your car looking and feeling fresh, suitable for dashboards and all interior trims. So really cool to use that. Always like the ones that smell nice as well. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is from CarChem. They must have had a rebrand on their labelling. I didn't recognise it at first then. CarChem labelling traditionally was always a see-through label with the black CarChem logo on it. This looks a lot sleeker actually. Not that there's anything really wrong with the old label, but it looks really nice this. So this is clear view glass cleaner from CarChem. We've used a couple of CarChem bits. There's the 1900 to 1 shampoo on our website. Really good shampoo. It's a game changer when it was released. That is on the website, so check out the review of that. But I must admit, we've not really explored the CarChem range too much, so I'll be very keen to try that. So that's the Clearview glass cleaner. And finally, product-wise, and it looks a pretty substantial one actually. As mentioned, Auto Finesse are in this month's box. They provided a very generous 250ml sample of triple. I have used this before. I haven't reviewed it though, so I'll be keen to reuse it and do an informed review. It's an all-in-one polish, so all-in-one polishes generally will have a slight little bit of cut to take imperfections out, but they'll also quite often have a glaze built in to fill imperfections that they can't remove, and they'll also have a degree of protection, so it's a quick method of putting a shine and protection all-in-one on your car, hence the name all-in-one polish. So like I say, this is triple. Very keen to try this again actually, because it's been quite a long time since I've used it. I might be totally wrong, but I seem to remember being a different colour last time I used it. So whether they've reformulated it since, and that's why it's in the box, I don't know. But we'll definitely take a look at that. And we've got an air freshener from the team at Auto Finesse in there as well. Always nice. Okay, we've also got, provided by BecauseRaceCar, we have a microfiber applicator pad. It's got a strap on the back, so you can pop it onto your hand, so it's a nice even application all the time. That'd be ideal for the triple. I guess you could also use that for the interior dressing as well, the Juicy Details one, but I think the idea with that will be for the Auto Finesse triple application. Got the usual gloves. Should have put them on before I started so I didn't have mismatched gloves today. And RaceCar have also provided us with a short pile microfiber cloth. Again, that'll be useful for either the, in fact it can be used for the glass cleaner as well. This could be for the interior dressing, the glass cleaner, or the triple for removing that. So very generous box as always from the team at RaceCar Box. Got 4 good products there, especially a very generous size from Auto Finesse, air freshener, applicator pad, and a microfiber towel, and the usual gloves to keep your hands clean and protected. So yeah, really impressive box, and thank you for checking out another of the RaceCar Box unboxing videos here at Trusted Car Products. Okay, so as always guys, thank you for checking out another video on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel and another of our unboxing videos for the team at RaceCar Box. Make sure to check them out at www.BecauseRaceCarBox.com. You can use our discount code to get 10% off your first box and off all accessories on the website as well. That is Trusted Car Products, all in capital letters. Please check us out on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and at the official website trustedcarproducts.co.uk, and we hope to see you again for one of our videos soon. Thanks guys.